What's going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. And basically, I just want to break down the difference between a Rhinestone Design, Rhinestone Template, Rhinestone Transfer, and what should be over here on the side is a Rhinestone completed finished product. Okay, so we'll start with the Rhinestone Design. As you can see, the cost is low. There's $1 sign and $2 signs. For the Rhinestone Template, the cost is $2 signs to $3 signs. And for the Rhinestone Transfer, it's $4 signs plus shipping. Now these dollar signs do not represent $1 or $2, you know what I mean, or $2 and $3. It just pretty much, this is when it comes to price, this is low, this is intermediate, and this is high, you know, if you want to look at it like that, you know what I mean. So the digital product, which is the Rhinestone Design, is typically a vector format, most common SVG. There is EPS format, DXF format, and PDF format. Now, it requires the person that purchased this design to have a cutter, the template material. They need rhinestones and heat transfer tape, as well as a heat press. You know what I'm saying? But they also need a computer as well. You know what I mean? I'm sure there's some people out there that can do it off their cell phone or their iPad, where they get the design and they just pretty much send it to their cutter. But in my mind, in my eyes, you need that laptop as well, you know, or that desktop to pretty much line up your item. But don't quote me on this. I'm sure there's some people out there doing it off of iPad or cellular devices. I've just never done it that way. Alright, next on the spectrum we have, well, let's go back to the Rhinestone Design, you know what I mean, because they say it costs low, but if you're getting a Rhinestone Design customized, you know, from scratch, where you don't have a logo that's already designed, you don't have a image, you know what I mean, that's primarily a vector format, you know what I mean, black and white PNG image. You don't have that already, then this price can get costly, because then there's a fee for someone to design you something, you know what I mean. Now, most general designs that someone may create that they want to share with the public, you know, they can be priced anywhere from, I've seen them priced anywhere from $4.99 to $19.99. You know what I mean? $4.99 to $19.99 for a general public. Everybody gonna get the design. You know, everybody can download it. Everybody can get it. That's the price range. When you come in a custom is a totally different ballpark. You know what I mean? Totally different ballpark. Now, the Rhinestone Template, this is a pre-cut template where one individual can take this template and make multiple rhinestone transfers, you know, or make multiple actual shirts using this one template, which means the design will already be cut out, it will already be weeded, and already placed on a template board of some sort, you know. All you will require, all it requires is rhinestones and transfer tape. Of course, you'll need the Rhinestone Brush as well, as pictured in the picture, and a heat press, you know, to press that design onto the shirt. So someone will already have made the design, they would have already cut it out for you, you know, and then they just send you the board, and you get the rhinestones, transfer tape, the brush, and you'll need a heat press. Next one on the list is someone actually sending you the physical product where they already brushed in the stones for you. They already picked it up with the tape. They placed it back onto the backing sheet, and all you need to do is peel this off the backing sheet and press it onto your garment. So all you need for this one is a heat press. All you need for this one is the Rhinestones transfer tape, the brush, and the heat press. And for this one, like I say, you need a computer or a cellular device or iPad of some sort. You need a vinyl cutter. You need the template material, which is the Rocket Rhinestone Flock or the Magic Flock from TRW. You need rhinestones. You need the brush as well, transfer tape, and the heat press. You know? So, I hope that explained the difference between the three. Well, the fourth one is someone is going to do this part. They're going to design it. They're going to make the template. They're going to pick it up with the transfer. Then they're going to press it onto your garment, you know. So, they're going to do all of that in one and press it onto your garment, you know, and just mail it and ship it to you. So if you definitely like this video gave you more knowledge on the difference between rhinestone design, rhinestone template, and rhinestone transfer, don't forget to smash the like button down below, as well as if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit the notification bell to be notified when I do drop a new video, or when I do go live or upload a short or anything of that nature. Check me out, you know what I mean? And I'm out.